What it do, family? It's T with Arizona Riders Club out here at another auto auction. Just coming out here to check out some of the vehicles they have. Some pretty good lookers today. I am currently sitting in a Volvo XC90. I've always liked these. I have no idea why. We all know that Volvo is one of the safest cars out there on the market. That AC is blowing super cold, and I'm glad because it is 100 something out here, 110, 115, who knows, but it is swarming, smeltering. So we're looking at a buck 63 on this one. No check engine lights, that's good. Very basic console. We'd have to get that changed out, that's for sure. Upgrade that. All leather interior, got a little bit of wood grain in there. Need some improvement on the seats. We got some damage on the seats. Let's just make sure all the electronics work here. But yeah, really nice SUV, little crossover. Maybe get it for the missus or something. I know crossovers are really hot on the market, and we could talk about this right now because I've been doing research on the microchip shortage, right? Which is not only causing a situation for the new cars, it's causing a situation for the used cars. So pre-owned vehicles have skyrocketed. I don't know if you're in the market. I was having a conversation with my man earlier, just introduced myself today. He was a little upset with the pricing, and you know, we were talking about it. I explained what was going on with the microchips. He wasn't really caring about it, still wanted that good price that he was getting. But as Fat Joe says, yesterday's price is not today's price. And y'all know what I'm saying. Let's take this for a little spin, shall we? Feels nice and tight. Suspension's feeling really good. Gas and throttle, everything's good. It's holding very, very steady. Suspension feels super tight, man. I'm pretty surprised at that. Yeah, but so what's going on in your world? What are you guys looking for in this new year or at the end of this year? Tell me what's up. What are you guys getting into? I have a couple other vehicles we're going to check out. I just wanted to show you this one because I know a lot of the times I'm coming up here with the Benzes, the Beamers, and to be honest with you, that's not really a majority of what sells, you know? A lot of the times when you're looking for a vehicle to sell or a vehicle to purchase and just drive around, it's not necessarily the luxury vehicles or the exotics that you're looking for. Don't get me wrong, I always have my eye open for a luxury or a foreign, but at the same point in time, man, don't overlook some of these regular vehicles, you know, because you can make a lot of money flipping some of these normal vehicles, especially these crossovers, right? So keep your eye out, keep your ear to the street, inspect the vehicle before you purchase it, and make some money. Y'all know how we do it. It's T with Arizona Riders Club. I almost forgot. Subscribe, like the video, and share this video. Ride with us.